Hi sir, I am recording this POC on a behalf of setup which we are going to implement. So this is my Active Directory server, and if you go here and users and computers, here you can see I have two OU, one for ABC where two accounts are ABC01, ABC02, and I have added ABC account in a group called group-ABC, and same way I have a second OU called XYZ 0102 and group is XYZ, a group hyphen XYZ. So these two, assume these two are two different companies, and I have servers also here, three servers. One is a ABCSH, means ABC session host server, and this is XYZ session host server, which is a company, and this is a connection broker where I am going to install a connection broker, RD web, and a gateway. So this is my connection broker server, and you can see I'm going to add, and this is SH01 and this is SH0, this is ABCSH and this is XYZSH, and I have two Windows 8 client to verify the remote desktop and session host servers are working fine or not. So I'm going to add those two servers here. So ABCSH and XYZSH. So now all three servers are here, and I'm going to add roles and feature. Click next. Remote desktop services, click next. Standard deployment, click next. Session based desktop deployment, click next. Next, and I'm going to install connection broker on CB01 and RD web also on CB01 only. And next, session host server on ABC and XYZ SH. These two servers are session host server for ABC company and XYZ company. Click next. And I'm going to deploy this. So this installation is going to install RD connection broker on CB01, RD web on CB01, and RD session host on XYZ and ABC, both the company. So just wait for it. It's going to reinstall session host and then reboot. So it's installing now. So soon both the session host server is going to reboot after the rule installation. You can see it's restarting now, and both the server has been rebooted. It will carry on the configuration part once the server has got rebooted, so we have to wait for reboot. Okay, so rebooted, and I'm going to log in and check the session host is deployed or not. So I'm going to log in with my domain admin account. Might be you can log in with any account which having local administrator rights on a server. So you can see all this succeeded, so we can go ahead and close this, and we can go to remote desktop services, and you can see we have session host server on XYZ and session host server on ABC, and connection broker on CB01 and RD web on CB01. And now I'm going to create a collection. Click next, and this is called ABC, and I'm going to add a ABC session host server here. Click next. I'm going to add here two groups, which is domain admin and group ABC. Next, don't enable profile disk, create. So it's done. close. And if I go to ABC, you can see domain admin and ABC group having access, and same way I'm going to create a one more collection for XYZ called XYZ. Click next, and XYZ session server, click next, and I need to add a group, so domain admins first, then I'm going to add a group XYZ, and next, don't enable profile disk, create. Close. So we have two collections, one for XYZ and one for ABC. And now to test it, I'm going on my client machine and going to open a URL https colon slash slash. I'm going to type the name of this server and RD web. RD web, same I'm going to open here on my second client. On client 1, I'm going to log in with my domain admin account. Just verify it's giving the both company access, and here I'm going to log in with the ABC company user. Going to type my name, Victor Info Sol, and FS admin. For example, this is my domain admin account. So you can see it's giving the both company session or server access, because I'm accessing from domain account. So same way, if I'm going to log in with the, you can see it's downloaded both the icon. I can rename it like ABC remote access, and this is XYZ remote access. So this is the file, and just to verify, I'm going to log in with the ABC01 account. To see here, you can see it's having only access to ABC, and let's try XYZ. So I'm going to type the Victor Info Sol XYZ user account and password for this account. So the access is working fine. If I logged in with the XYZ user, I am getting XYZ. If I am logged in with the ABC account, ABC user, I am getting the ABC session. And if I am logged in with the domain admin or administrator group, I am going to get the both. So to test it, I am going to log in from ABC user here. I'm going to type the ABC user ID and password. So ABC01 and the password for this account, and here I'm going to log in with the XYZ account. So I'm going to type here XYZ01 and password for this account. I can close this Internet Explorer, I don't need anymore. So first time it's going to take some time. If you see currently here the session, so it's going to show you 2 sessions of the admin account only. You can see both are HV admin, which is my administrator account. It's not having XYZ or ABC user access, so it's need time once I got the access. So you can see I have logged in. Which user this is, we can go to CMD and check who am I. So this is ABC01, and if I check the host name, you can see it's logged into ABC session host server, and same way you can see this is also logged in. So command prompt and host name and who am I. You can see it's logged into session XYZ logged into XYZ session server. And to verify session, you can come here and see all XYZ ABC01 XYZ01, and if you go here, you can see the session on ABC session host server and XYZ session host server. So this is my plan which I'm going to implement. Okay, so I'm not sure you can add the gateway also here. So on this you can see add gateway. I'm going to add the gateway on CB01, so click next, and I'm going to give access, or you can see rds.victorinfosol.com will be my RD gateway external address. So I'm going to click next and add. So it's going to install the gateway role on this CB01, and then we need to import the certificate. So let's wait for it. Installation is succeeded. You can see gateway is also there, and now the thing we need to do, this deployment has been used for this, and I need to configure the certificate, and then it start working from outside. So this is our planning.